Good day, I'm Jesse Tetteh-Quarshie and my student ID is 2239625. I am a member of the Speech Forces. Our project is a Speech Forces Tournament Management System, which is a web application. The feature I selected for my individual request flow assignments is the homepage application and navigation. This page users see when they visit the website. It allows visitors to learn about Speech Forces, browse programs, view upcoming tournaments, and navigate to pages such as registration, about us, contact, and login. The request flow begins when a user opens a web browser, such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, and enters the Speech Forces website URL. The website first performs a DNS lookup to translate the domain name into the user's IP address. Once the address is found, the browser sends the HTTP GET request to the web server. Saves the React application and processes any requests for dynamic content. The application communicates with Superbase, which retrieves information such as upcoming tournaments, programs, and announcements from the database. Superbase then returns data as JSON and React renders the homepage in the user browser. User sees the completed page and can navigate to other parts of the website without full page refresh because React Router manages client navigation side. One possible failure point in this request flow is the connection between the React frontend and the super backend. If the database or backend service is unavailable, the application may not be able to load the tournament information or announcements. In that situation, the system should display a user-friendly error message and allow the user to try again later instead of crashing. One important security concern is protecting the system from unauthorized access. Although the home page is public, administrator pages for creating tournaments, managing registrations, and publishing results are protected with authentication and role-based authorization. In addition, all communication between browser and the server use HTTP to keep the data secret and secure. One thing I still need to learn is how React, Superbase, and the backend communicate in greater detail, especially how API requests, authentication, and database queries are handled behind the scenes. Understanding these processes will help me contribute more effectively to the development of the project. Thank you.